Odofo mema akwaba edeba kasa emfoni afidi a yefe na Adom TV so. Dwumade we ye Nkuranhyɛ na me amti dwom amede ho chia me edi amje so eye ni tekotego. Me da asese wo do afidi ato a. Ene ye betona montuo bi ahwewi ase abrabo se de ebo no fa. Yefe no the capital of life. Abrabo ne esombo emayen. Ye ka capital ase ko ya adwuma. Wakope sika pudu so de adwuma na ase. O fe no your capital. Enti abrabo so wo hia capital, wo hia bibia ro ha ase. We wake up every day for a reason. We don't just wake up. We wake up to make meaning of our lives and to bring meaning to the life of others. And a pebia was sodia. The entire was sorry ne say wabrabo benyanchira siene and faswo. Now would it be assign obi? That's the reason you wake up. You wake up to find meaning for your life and also to add value to the life of others. So we don't just wake up in the morning, just to walk around, just to eat. Yen sore keke. De ntia wo Nyankopon emaya adechi bia kire se obibi asese ye de abraboye. Every day we are supposed to add something to our lives and to the lives of others. Fane ye sikasemu, ye dwumam, ya wadiemu, ya pomodnimu, ye mfie ne amro no so. We are supposed to add something to life, to our own lives, to the life of others. We go through what we go through as a part of the program and preparation to make us become greater and better. And you might famu nyina de chi, and you might two year abrabo nyina no, a 2 years say ebe sua de free mu, na hihye abrabo, yetimi ade bubra e wo daachi emu. And then ya wo be famu, and no anya wo famu no, enye mu na betena bosobo. How be a unya ye no, e by se ubenya no ye na de abubraba. You can the potokasem, the best place to build a business is around a problem. The best place to build your problem, to build a business or profit, is around a problem. Baby, I see a sin kunya, near penkoso, and put your pet abrabo, ano a ye a dro kesiepa, any baby or how ever. One was abrabo or how betua, yensu, or how ba said about benya anu ye ni anu edro, not what meeting team mo, na empo amwa kawako nim. A bribiara or how beba or nimuono, now to meeting team epa or hanu edro na, it me pejao, chababa eboy, enya betesa. Awari, enya betesa, apomudni kura enya betesa, empo ejuma, and not from yakofa, be baby ano or how wum, a pindie wum, a shase wum. And from so wom impo sabe won sabe si from baby ni nyina eba kosi se ebe kira kwa betumi afa so ebubra no abrabe ayeye. Life successes are created when we solve our problems. Life successes are created when we unlock the challenges and create opportunities for our growth. Abrabo ye boy enkunimdie enyina so ene nioma ye gina no epa no aduro. Abrabo ye boy yenkunim die egina so eba na yesika semu ya dwumam ya pomodne ya wadem ya desuam no nyina so ene se yehu challenge ni afifi mu ape opportunity wom se me so meyie na wasemu ayeye. Abrabo eni ho ema woni wa yemre. Abrabo eni ho ema sabe woni a wodi ani ha. Abrabo eni ho sabe ede masabe nkwase asem. Abrabo egina ho ma nyansafo. Abrabo egina ho ma woni a wa akuduro obetime gina wona so apenya nsa adware wona adwene na wabubura ene bebubura. Baba yebu eni ho ema woni asabi da bia wotwa asu. Ababa eni ho ma woni ada bia wonwinwi ena mi kurumpemi ena mi ira mi se dabi jai na hunu ni awo famu bia se eka brabo ho enti na beto wo no enti nyina mu nsu enyina mu ni apini enyina mu embobo nyoma ho gina mu na bisa se kwan ben so na mefa. Why do you think Christ became so popular? To the extent that today people are using his name to make business. Adem nema Yesu ene ye kasa ni dia ka nipa no mu ya ene na mafo bi ede ni dia business a odi jisika won krofo dada krofo ede jisika kase. Yesu oye popular esan say or solve problems. Christ became popular because he was a problem solver. Meboa. Ebi yare no wasa ne yare, obi ene afra no wa yefro, command nkofo no command brodo be mpimpim, ose munni obi wu yoso wanyane no. Saa nyoma no wo ye na ema sabinidi eka nipa num. Eno nti oni pa bia ye bo seba brabom, identify one particular problem in your life. Identify one particular problem in your family. Identify one particular problem in your nation. Identify a problem in your marriage and solve it. That is the only way you can leave a mark in the hearts and minds of people. Ya mase be didi ako party say be afamane member. No. Life rewards problem solvers. What am I know? Life reward problem solvers. The amount and the size of the problem you solve determines the size of your rewards. Oko kraswa dey ma 1 + 1 is small problem. But ako university is more problem mu oduo na we say when your degree. So the size of your problem determines the size of your rewards. Stop complaining when there are problems. Stop murmuring and stop worrying, and rather sit back and find out what is in this problem that I can solve to make my life better. Abrabo awubue ensembeto to be enkoye jai se wusu jai se wo bosobo na ka kire won se e de na meye na dai na mepaja me ho afri ahwase mu agina ho brane gira ho na mbeja ha na me de nkra kese ama se me kwa ne sa edi am jeso eye apostle Dr. Nita Kotegu me da se wonya amrehwe me me da Adom TV adwumafo nyina ase titire me nua ba ma Thomas ni ade na eja Welbeck ampadu na sound ni camera fo nyina me do bi ase me nyankɔ bedwama dwuma die die akire nto se menko woni onyame entina